So, the Pixel 7a mid-range smartphone is anticipated to be announced during Google's I/O event. Almost all information, including specifications, the design, and the cost, has already leaked prior to the introduction. The performance of the device is the only thing that hasn't been verified yet. But now, this information has been made public thanks to a recent Geekbench listing. Through a recent Geekbench listing, the performance specifications of the upcoming Pixel 7a smartphone have been made public. Tensor G2 SoC, which has 2 cores clocked at 2.35 GHz and 4 cores clocked at 1.8 GHz, provides the device's power. Its top clock speed is 2.85 GHz. Additionally, it has a Mali G710 GPU. The Pixel 7a received results of 1380 and 3071 in Geekbench's single-core and multi-core tests, respectively. The variant that Geekbench lists has 8 GB of RAM, and it is expected that, when the phone is released, it will have a minimum storage capacity of 128 GB. The listing also confirms that Android 13 will be installed on the Pixel 7a right out of the box. The Pixel 7a's performance seems good for a mid-range smartphone, suggesting that the gadget can easily handle a variety of tasks, including gaming. So, the much-awaited Google Pixel 7a is expected to include a number of noteworthy features. It is rumored to contain an inside Tensor G2 processor from Google, a 6.1 inches Full HD Plus OLED display with a 90 Hz refresh rate, 8 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and 128 GB of onboard storage. The smartphone is said to have a 10.8 megapixel front-facing camera, a 64 MP back camera with OIS, a 12 MP ultra-wide camera. Additionally, a 4400 mAh battery with 20 watts of wired and 5 watts of wireless charging support is anticipated for the Pixel 7a. The Pixel 7a is developing into a fantastic mid-range alternative, with Android 13 as its operating system. It is anticipated that more leaks may appear as the device's May 10th launch date approaches, so it is important to keep a watch out for new information. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Google Pixel 7a? Let me know in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in the next video.